बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। साथ कैन एजुकेशन सर्विसेज। अस्सलाम वालेकुम. Dear kids, I hope you all are fine and safe. I am your teacher. Dear kids, take out your English copy. Kids, open page number 148. First of all, mention date here and HW here. Match the sounds with correct picture. These are sounds and these are pictures. Okay, now read with me. To, o, wo. Once again, repeat after me. To, o, wo. Now the pictures: umbrella, watch, tomato, verse. Okay, match the sounds with the picture, with the correct picture. To match with umbrella, no. To match with watch, no. To match with tomato, yes. You have to match to with tomato. Now the second sound, O. Okay, O match with umbrella, yes. You have to match O with umbrella. Okay, now the third sound, match with umbrella, no. Match with watch, no. Match with tomato, no. Match with verse, yes. You have to match with verse. Okay, now the fourth sound, wo. Wo match with umbrella, no. Wo match with watch, yes. Wo match with watch. Dear kids, you have to do color in these pictures and do it neat and clean. Dear kids, now open page number 149. As usual, first of all, write down date here and HW here. Right. Here you have to write by yourself. Okay. Now read the sounds with me. To, o, wo. Once again. To, o, wo. Okay, now write and do the practice. Put your pencil on the dot. Come down and down, then turn a little with the line across. To. Once again, put your pencil on the first line, come down and down, then turn a little with the line across. To. Okay, now write the O. Start from the second line, put your pencil on the dot, come down, turn a little, go up and come down. Oh. Okay, put your pencil on the dot, come down, then turn, go up and come down. Oh. Okay, now the third sound. Put your pencil on the dot on the second line. Is for victory. Put your pencil on the dot on the second line. Is for victory. Okay, now the fourth sound, wo. Put your pencil on the second line. Wo is like a zigzag. Once again, put your pencil on the dot on the second line. Wo is like a zigzag. Okay, dear kids, you have to complete this page by yourself. Do it neat and clean. Dear kids, do more and more practice at your home for the good handwriting. Take care. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.